Welcome back, girls. This is my last class on strong roots. In yesterday's class, I have tried to explain one of the most difficult parts of the text, the last two lines of the 8th paragraph. That is, one must understand the difference between a fear-ridden vision of destiny and the vision that enables us to seek the enemy of fulfillment within ourselves. আমি বলেছিলাম যে বারবার অডিওটা শুনে বোঝার চেষ্টা করো, আশা করি বুঝতে পেরেছো। আর একবার আমি বলছি, এই দুটো লাইনে ডক্টর কালামস ফাদার জয়নাল আবদিন স্পিক্স অফ টু ডিস্টিংক্টলি ডিফারেন্ট ভিশনস অফ ডেস্টিনি। দুটো সম্পূর্ণ বিপরীত অদৃষ্ট ভাবনার কথা তিনি বলেছেন। ওয়ান ইজ আন্ডারলাইন ফিয়ার রিডেন ভিশন অফ ডেস্টিনি and the other is the destiny is our own shortcomings prevent us from fulfilling our needs. So the first vision is fear-ridden vision of destiny, and the second vision of destiny is that our flaws, our weak points hinder to aspire our dreams, to realize our dreams. So, this vision of destiny is fatalistic. It depends on the fate. That fate, adrishto, niyoti, shapes our life. But the second vision of destiny is that there is no such evil force, there is no fate that shapes our life. There is no need to pacify the evil force to get what we desire, to get what we dream of. The alternative vision, the second vision of destiny, is that the enemy of fulfillment is present within ourselves. We should understand that all our failures and sorrows are the outcome of our shortcomings. They are not the expression of anger of any demonic forces. কোনো অশুভ শক্তির প্রভাবে আমাদের জীবনে ব্যর্থতা, দুর্দশা আসে না। সেটা আসে আমাদেরই নিজস্ব কোনো ত্রুটিতে, আমাদেরই নিজস্ব কোনো ঘাটতির জন্য। তার জন্য কোনো অশুভ শক্তি, কোনো দৈবী শক্তি, কোনো অদৃষ্টর দোহাই এগুলো চলবে না, এটা তিনি বলতেন। আশা করি এই পোর্শনটা ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে। নাও নেক্সট, next paragraph is about Dr. Kalam's father's daily routine. A broad question may come from this portion. What is his daily routine? I remember my father starting his day at 4 a.m. by reading the namaz before dawn. MCQ will come from this portion, SQ will come from this portion. Highlight 4 a.m. When Jainal Abdin used to start his day at 4 a.m. before the dawn will be your answer. How did he start his day? Your answer will be by reading the namaz. After the namaz is the Urdu word for prayer. He used to walk down to a small coconut grove, underline grove. Grove means orchard, bagan. After reading the namaz, he used to go to a small coconut orchard we owned. Owned means we had. আমাদের বাড়ি থেকে, আমাদের বাড়িটা কোথায় মনে আছে? মস্ক স্ট্রিট। সেখান থেকে 4 মাইল দূরে আমাদের একটা নারকেল বাগান ছিল, বাবা সেখানে চলে যেতেন। Mind it, 4 miles he used to walk after reading namaz in the early morning. About highlight 4 miles from our home. He would return from there, with about a dozen coconuts. About a dozen. তোমার MCQ এ যদি থাকে 12, a dozen, about a dozen, এই অপশনগুলো যদি থাকে তাহলে উত্তরটা কিন্তু হবে about a dozen, মানে প্রায় 12টা, মানে 10-12টা। নারকেল টায়েড মানে কি fastened, দড়ি দিয়ে বেঁধে। together thrown over his shoulder, তাহলে he used to go to their coconut grove which was 4 miles away from their house at Mosque Street, and from there he collected coconuts and brought them home carrying on his shoulder. So, you remember what they used to have in their lunch? They used to have rice and aromatic sambar and a variety of sharp homemade pickle and a dollop of fresh coconut chutney. So, here lies the secret of having fresh coconut chutney every day in their lunch. Dr. Kalam's father used to bring them from their coconut grove 4 miles away from their home. So every day they used to have fresh coconut chutney. Then after that, so he used to walk 4 miles to reach the coconut grove and 4 miles to reach home. So his morning walk was a bit long. It was about 8 miles. And only then he would have his breakfast. So his day started with reading namaz, then walking to the coconut grove, then returning home with coconuts, and then he used to have his breakfast. This remained মানে কি থাকা, was his routine even when he was in his late 60s. Late 60s মানে কি বলো? After 65 to within 69, 66, 67, 68, 69 বছর বয়স, তখনও তার ডেলি রুটিন কি ছিল? হি ইউজ টু গেট আপ আর্লি ইন দ্য মর্নিং বিফোর দ্য ডন at 4 a.m. Then he read the namaz. Then he used to go to their coconut grove. Then he came back home carrying about a dozen of coconut on his shoulder. Then he had his breakfast. So he was such a physically sound person. He was such a physically fit person. তাহলে এখান থেকে একটা প্রশ্ন আসবে, বড় প্রশ্ন। নেক্সট, I have throughout my life tried to underline, emulate, follow, অনুসরণ করা, my father in my own world of science and technology. So these two persons, the father and the son, reign, REIGN, in two different spheres. While Jainalabdin was a spiritual person, Dr. Kalam was a man of science and technology. But this man of science and technology made his idol, his father, a man with spiritual bending. This is something striking. I have underlined endeavored মানে চেষ্টা করা, tried, to understand the fundamental truths revealed to me by my father. Fundamental underline মানে বেসিক, আর ট্রুথস মানে সত্যি। তাহলে জীবনের মূল সত্যি কোনগুলো? হোয়াট আর দ্য প্রিন্সিপালস অফ লাইফ, সেগুলো আমরা আগে দেখেছি, আগে পড়েছি। হিজ ফাদার রিভিল টু হিম সার্টেন ফান্ডামেন্টাল ট্রুথস অফ লাইফ, সেগুলো কি? 1, 2 করে তুমি বলো। দ্য রেলেভেন্স অফ প্রেয়ার, দ্য আইডিয়া অফ দ্য কসমস, ম্যানস পজিশন ইন দ্য ইউনিভার্স, uses of adversity, the twofold vision of destiny. তাহলে all these 5 and much more, these are the fundamental truths of life. এই fundamental truths of life revealed to me by my father. Who revealed these fundamental truths to me? My father. Through his advice, to his action, through his guidance, he taught me these fundamental truths of life. And feel convinced, মানে I am sure that there exists a divine power that can lift one up from confusion, misery, melancholy and failure. তাহলে this is the strong belief of the missile man, the man of science and technology, that there exists a divine power that guides us, that saves us, that protects us, that can lift one up from confusion in a deadlock. When we fail to understand what to do, how to proceed, that is called a confusion. A misery, a difficulty. Melancholy, বিষণ্ণতা, বিমর্ষতা, and failure, ব্যর্থতা. And guide one to one's true place. Lifting man from adversity, this divine power lead him to his true place that he deserves in his life. And once an individual, underline new word, severs মানে disconnects, ছিঁড়ে ফেলা, his emotional and physical bond, if a person can get himself detached from any emotional and physical bondage, he is on the road to freedom, happiness and peace of mind. He can enjoy the true liberty, the peace of mind. Nothing can disturb him. He has no desire to have anything. He has no demand to have anything. And he is happy enough with what he is surrounded by, where he is now. There is no unfulfillment, there is no longing, there is no suffering, only peace prevailed there. That is the self-realization, the state of self-realization. I need nothing but your blessing. I depend truly, wholeheartedly on this divine power. Take me where you wish, lead me where you want. I am totally dependent on your will. This is the realization. Hope you have understood. Now, for the next 2 days, I'll be off. So you have to go through the text thoroughly, repeatedly, read between the lines and get ready with MCQs and ACQs. In my next class, I will try to give you some specific specimen questions, both carrying 6 marks and carrying 1 marks. I'll try to give you some questions and then I will start with a poem. Get this channel subscribed and press the bell icon so that you will get notifications when my next video is coming. Have a good day.